You remember the person that came the other day and gave me, no, was trying to give me some coins, some $10 coins. So I said, why you want to give me $10 coins? And I said, they said, oh, I just feel like giving it. And I said, no thanks, I don't take money from people. So the same person wasn't at work the day before. The next day they came to work with a bottle of perfume. When what is this I mean at this place, you know? If I want to smell it. I said, why would I want to smell it? Oh, is somebody give it to them and they want me to smell it? I said, no thank you, I don't really smell perfume like that unless I'm buying for myself. She walk off. Jamaica, one of our easy places in Jamaica is not a real place.